Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the hunt. Showdown 1896 error code 0x30001. As per our research, the error comes when players try to launch the game. Some users also shared that they can't stay connected for more than a few minutes without getting this error. According to our research, this error is most likely caused by server-side issues. But it may also happen because of account-based problems, device settings, or even router configurations that block the connection. The first thing you should try is to reboot your device along with the router. Once both are restarted, try launching the game and check if the error still comes. If the error persists, make sure your device and the game are updated to the latest version. If there is any pending update, install it and check for the error again. If the error pops up, don't press anything. Instead, log out and log back in. You should still see the error screen after doing this. Now press A and see if it loads you into the game. If the issue still comes, the issue could be account-related. So if you have access to another account, try launching the game from there and check if this resolves the error. If it does resolve the error, then the issue is related to your account. In this case, we suggest you reach out to the game support. If nothing helps so far, try connecting over a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot network and check for the error. If this resolves the error, then the issue is related to your network. So check your network and router settings or reach out to your ISP. If the error still appears, then it is most likely a server issue. In this case, you may have to wait. Some users shared that they didn't change anything and the game eventually started working on its own. So we suggest you wait for some time and try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.